Have you ever tried opening Steam only to be greeted with a Steam client not responding message, a frozen window, or a client that simply refuses to load? Maybe Steam gets stuck on startup, freezes when you click on the store or library, or becomes completely unresponsive while downloading a game. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when all you want to do is launch your favorite game. The good news is that in most cases, the problem is caused by corrupted cache files, stuck background processes, network issues, or software conflicts that can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix a Steam client that is not responding. The first thing to do is completely close Steam. Even if the window is frozen, background processes may still be running. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager and look for any Steam-related processes such as Steam Client Web Helper, Steam Service, or Steam itself. Select them and click End Task. Once all Steam processes have been closed, try launching Steam again. If Steam still does not respond, restart your computer. This may sound simple, but it clears temporary memory issues, stuck processes, and software conflicts that often cause Steam to freeze. After the restart, launch Steam before opening other applications and see if it loads normally. Another common fix is clearing Steam's download cache. Press Windows+R, type steam://flushconfig, and press Enter. A message will appear asking to reset Steam's configuration. Confirm the action and restart Steam. This process refreshes important client files without deleting your installed games. Network problems can sometimes make Steam appear frozen. Check that your internet connection is working properly by opening a website in your browser. If the connection is unstable, restart your router and try launching Steam again. You can also temporarily disable VPNs or proxy services, as they occasionally interfere with Steam's connection to its servers. Another possible cause is antivirus or firewall software. Security programs may mistakenly block Steam files or network access. Temporarily disable your antivirus and attempt to launch Steam. If Steam works correctly afterward, add Steam as an exception in your security software rather than leaving protection disabled. You should also make sure Steam is running with the proper permissions. Right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This can resolve issues related to file access, updates, and client initialization. If Steam freezes immediately after opening, one of its web-based components may be causing the issue. Launch Steam in small mode if possible, or avoid opening store and community pages initially. Once Steam loads, clear the web browser cache and cookies from the settings menu to remove potentially corrupted data. Outdated Windows files can also contribute to client instability. Make sure Windows is fully updated and install any pending updates. In addition, update your graphics drivers, as Steam relies on web rendering technologies that can be affected by graphics-related issues. If none of these fixes work, consider repairing or reinstalling Steam. Before reinstalling, back up your Steam Apps folder if necessary. A fresh installation often resolves corrupted program files that cannot be repaired through normal troubleshooting. So to summarize, close all Steam processes using Task Manager, restart your computer, clear Steam's configuration and cache files, verify your internet connection, check antivirus and firewall settings, run Steam as administrator, update Windows and drivers, and reinstall Steam if necessary. These steps will resolve the vast majority of Steam client not responding errors. I hope this tutorial helped you get Steam working again. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more PC troubleshooting tips, gaming guides, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.